Good morning, traders. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to Trade Confident, where we live trade crypto every single day. Well, pretty much every single day, except for weekends on this channel. So I want to show this to you guys. Could Matic actually be a replacement for Ethereum? Well, that's kind of what this article is talking about here. So 3 reasons why Polygon's Matic has emerged as an alternative to Ethereum. So this is the first one here, transaction count. And when I first read this, I'm like, okay, this is just like they're just pumping it out there for whatever. But the transaction count actually has surpassed that of Ethereum, which is really interesting. That's actually a pretty bullish sign for Matic. Accessibility, and then also interest and adoption. This is Google Trends. So what this tells me is how many ears out there, how many mouths out there are talking about Matic? Well, it's actually moving up here pretty nicely as far as Google Trends. This is also with like searches for that as well. Mark Cuban, we obviously know I've covered in this new channel, is back in this. So, it actually has a lot of hype and even some fundamentals behind it as well. But let's take a look at the technicals here and let's see how we're actually doing on this trade. Because I originally called an entry here for you guys at $1.51, and then I came out here and updated this. So obviously, make sure you guys are over at tradeconfident.io. I'm calling all these trades live, the top 15 currencies that you guys can trade in here. We are trading live. I'm sorry, not Polkadot. We want Polygon. So let's come over here and we're going to search this. We're going to go to Polygon because I'm going to show you guys what I actually just updated, because this is really crucial. As we come down and we hit our, so take a look at this. This was the original entry, so you guys can follow along. This was the entry as well with the risk tree ward on here. And then we started heading down, and then we hit the first, we hit the first one, obviously. The second buy limit was hit down here, and this is what caused me to adjust everything. So our entry actually moved down. That's why this strategy is the number one strategy, I believe, to trade crypto, because it's always going to give you better risk to reward ratio, and it's also going to be dropping down your entry. So we did hit the second buy limit, and this did move our average entry price down to $1.42. And I've also moved down the sell limit to $1.71. This is why if you get signal services and they're like, here's the entry, here's the exit, and here's the take profit. Okay, it's like, wait, hold up. Like, that's all I get? Like, there's no adjustment because the market moves. Why aren't we adjusting our trades? That's what I do on this channel. Like, we actually adjust things so we can make more money. Okay, if this is hit for the take profit, we'll make around 20.60%. All the trades I call on this channel, you guys, I'm going for between 10 to 20%. So if you like 10 to 20% per trade, follow the channel, subscribe, and you guys will see me live trade this. So let's go over this real quick. The trend dashboard, where are we going? Are we going up or are we going down? Let's take a look. Well, this is really bullish to me. The stochastic and MACD, a lot of people trade smaller time frames with the stochastic and MACD. The big boys, they look at the 50, 100, and 200 MA. That's where the biggest momentum is flowing. Obviously, this is the momentum is below the 200, the 150 with this downtrend right here. So honestly, I still think retail traders are looking for sells and even short positions if they found an exchange out there that's not a lot of people know about that you can short, okay? So sells are what I'm expecting for retail traders in the market. That's what the trend dashboard's telling me. Let's take a look at the price versus the whale money flow though. This is quite interesting. Now let's pop this open here. So this is one of the times that we haven't seen it for a little while here that we've actually seen the whale money flow cross over the price. So what can happen here is really interesting. As the price starts moving down, if we start seeing this move down a little bit and the price and the whale money flow moves up, that means that the downtrend is actually very weak. That means that the big money is not following the downtrend at all. It's actually buying the dip, okay? So as this price moves down here, and if there's no money to back this up, if there's no selling power to move along with the price moving down, that means it's weak, and that means there's a huge buying power of this dip. I think people are buying this dip here, and I do think we're going to see a move back up here in probably 1 to 2 days. I do think we come down here, test this. Basically, it's a descending support line right now, this guy right here. So if we come down and we test this, that is possible, and then we could shoot back up. But this is kind of the channel that people are looking at, and I'll draw this in here for you guys. This is where I'm looking at. If we can cross above basically our entry again and break above this descending resistance here, that's going to give us a good exit plan of basically taking this out of $1.71. So not financial advice, but if you guys have your buy limit set in here and you're good to go and you're in, make sure these sell limits are set up. That's what I personally do, so I can get triggered while I'm sleeping and I don't have to worry about, waking up and being like, oh my gosh, I just missed the pump and I missed out on the money. Make sure the sell limits are set up. Take a look at the trend exhaustion though. We're sitting right in the middle here. So this could pivot either way at this moment. We've gotten down here before and people are like, oh, we're just going to head down. No, it actually started moving back up and started making, some higher highs and higher lows here. So let's watch this very carefully on the chart. The biggest thing I want you guys to watch for is if this trend exhaustion starts moving down to the bottom bottom here, that's actually a good sign because that's going to exhaust the trend to the downside, giving us a move to the upside. If this is partnered with this green well money flow moving above the price, this is incredibly bullish for you guys. So watch those two indicators. They are available in the description of this video. Click that link, get on your charts. I am going to be raising prices soon for all these indicators. They're too cheap right now. So that's what I'm watching for as far as you guys that are in Matic. I like Matic. Once I'm done with my Ethereum and my ADA trades, I will be looking to delegate part of my portfolio to Matic because I just like the project. I like the Mark Cuban's behind it. And I also like the technicals of it as well. So I'll keep you guys updated. But at the moment, we're break even on this trade. Let's see if we can pump into some profit today. God bless you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure over at tradeconfident.io, you guys are signed up for all the updates. It's absolutely free. Eventually I'll charge, but it's completely free for you guys. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.